Hi everyone, today I'm going to start the third part of this lesson. So this book. Now let's turn to the 21st problem. So let's get started. Before this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So in this problem, the main point is to draw the line again. As in previous lessons, we learned how many lines to draw, and then we're just practicing it. So from alternate angles, we know that corresponding angles, we know that alpha, if this will be alpha and this line will be parallel to D3 will be parallel to D2, we're given this angle will be also alpha. And then let's write this angle as x. This will also be x. So the next step is to know that this angle is also 95 degrees, because this T1 is parallel to T2. So, and we know that 110 degrees will equal to x plus 95. So from here we can find out x, and it will be 15 degrees. Then the next step is to find out this angle. It will be 85 degrees, and then alpha will also be equal to x plus 85. So x is 15 degrees plus 85 degrees, and this will equal to 100 degrees. So our final answer is this. Next one is here. So let's draw two lines, or one line is enough. No, one line here. Line intersects all of those lines. So here, from here, if this angle will be 90 degrees, this will also be 90 degrees. So from here we know that this angle will equal to 60 degrees. And then D1 is parallel to D2. That's why we can write from alternate angles. If this 60 degrees, this will also be 60 degrees. So this is theta. So this will also be theta. So then we will write as theta plus 60 degrees will equal to 80 degrees. And from here, theta will equal to 20 degrees. So we found theta, and alpha will equal to 180 minus theta. So theta is 20 degrees. So here alpha will be equal to 160 degrees. This is our answer. So let's move on. The third problem is this. So here we don't have to draw any lines. We don't need. So the main point is to know that this is x, this will also be x, and from alternate angles, if this will be 2x, this will be also 2x. So 2x will equal to 50 degrees. From here, x will be 25 degrees. So this angle will be alpha plus x. X is 25 degrees. So we know that 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50 is 90 degrees, plus alpha plus 25 degrees will equal to 180 degrees. So from here we can find out alpha. Alpha will equal to 65 degrees. So we found alpha, and let's move on. It's written in Turkish, but I'll just explain my words with my words. So we are given two lines that they are intersecting each other. So we are given that alpha and beta and the fraction alpha to beta will equal to 2x here 2x or 7x because it's given here, and we have to find out each of these angles. So we know that the sum of alpha plus beta here will equal to 180 degrees. So from here we can find out alpha. Alpha will equal to 2 times beta or 7. So and then we can plug into this alpha. So 2 beta over 7 plus beta will equal to 108, and we can multiply each of these expressions by 7. If we multiply this by 7 times 2 beta over 7 plus beta. I think you know why I'm multiplying each of them by 7, because in the denominator 7 is standing. So that's why we have to get rid of this. So 180 times 7. So here 2 beta, if we will multiply 7 and 7 will cancel, and plus 7 beta. Here will equal to 180 times 7. Why I'm not calculating this, we'll understand at the end. 9 beta will equal to 180 times 7. Here we can divide each of them by 9. So we can get rid of 9 here. Beta will equal to 20. It will be here, and times 7, and this will equal to 140. So beta here 140 degrees. So 26th problem. Here we will draw two lines and we'll try to solve this. I didn't try to solve these problems, so we'll try together. Here. So if D1 will be parallel to D2 and also parallel to D3, we can write down this angle as alpha here, and this is x, let it be. And next step is here also will be alpha, because D1 is parallel to D3, and this angle, this will be 180 minus alpha, and the sum of x and this will give us 100. So we need this line also. We need this line. So we don't need it, because this angle is 100 degrees. So first of all, before writing this, we'll write down the first equation that we need. So x plus 180 minus alpha will equal to 100. from here, x minus alpha will equal to minus 80 degrees for now. So the next step, as I wrote, this angle will be 100 from corresponding angles, and then x plus 100 will equal to 115. From here, we know that x will be equal to 15 degrees. So let me write down this. X plus 100 degrees will be equal to 115 degrees. So from here, x will be 15 degrees. So next, it's easy. We'll plug into x 15 degrees and we'll get 15 minus alpha will equal to minus 80 degrees. So alpha will equal to 95 degrees. The next one is this one. Let's try to solve this one. So again, this will be x, and we'll just continue. Y, it will be y. This will be also y. It's not so difficult. So if we will continue this line from alternate angles, we know that D1 is parallel to D2, so alternate angles are equal. So 2, if this will be 2y, this will also be 2y. So from here we can write down the first equation that we need, and it will be 2y plus 2x be equal to 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. So from here, x plus y will be 45 degrees. The next step is to know the quadrangles, interior angles will be equal to 360. So this quadrangle, let me write down this as A, B, C, and D. This one. So the quadrangle ABCD, we'll just write down the angles. The first angle is alpha plus x angle plus y angle plus this will be 360 minus 90. So it will be 270 degrees. We can write down as this one. So this is 90 degrees, and this will equal to 90 degrees, as we wrote down as the previous problems. So we know x plus y, so we can plug, and we'll get 45 degrees. This is our answer. Next one is this one. Again, from alternate angles, we know that if this angle will be theta, this will be also theta. So we know also theta. Theta is equals to 50 degrees because the sum of these angles, how we can say neighbor angles, adjacent, they say in the term. So the sum of adjacent angles are 180. So theta will equal to 50 degrees. And we know that this angle is, and we know that alpha plus theta is 50 degrees will be equal to 90 degrees. So alpha here 40 degrees. So 29th problem here. To continue the line, let's continue this line. Just continue. Oh, sorry. Okay. This and this. Okay. So this angle is 50 degrees. So the sum is 90 degrees, as you can see. And this angle, we don't need this angle. We need just 50 degrees. And this will also be 50 degrees. No need to repeat. I believe so. So this angle will be 80 degrees. So the sum will give this one, I guess. So this angle is also, let's write down here, this angle will be equal to 180 minus alpha. And from here we know that 180 minus alpha plus 80 degrees plus 80 degrees again plus 50 degrees, the sum of interior angles of quadrangle will be equal to 360. Do not mess up. The sum of these three angles will not be equal to alpha, because this line just like this line is standing. If it will be like this, just standing itself like this, and this angle will be alpha, we could write that the sum of 80 plus 80 plus 50 will equal to alpha, because this line is standing here. It is just we cannot just write this as equals to the sum of three angles. So the next step is to find out, and it will be 180 100, so 30. Oh, sorry. Alpha is minus negative here, so it will be 160, 30, and 80. It will be 80 degrees. You can just add up and subtract from this one, and we'll get such kind of answer. So the next one, and the last one, but not least. So here, what to do? So let's draw lines. Do we need them? I guess so. This angle, this line and this line will help us to solve this problem. I think you are getting that problems are getting more harder and harder. So this angle will be 45 degrees, as the D1 is parallel to D2, and this X will not be 45 degrees. Do not mess up. But this one also will not be 45 degrees, because this line and this line is not parallel. So we know that this angle, we'll write the blue one. So this angle will be equal to 180 minus 3x, and this one also be 180 minus 3y. So, and we know also that the sum of interior angles will be 360, so we can write down here 45 degrees plus 360 degrees, because 180 plus 180 will be 360, so minus 3x minus 3y plus alpha we got also this one, so we have to add up these. We have to add up this one and 2x. So this is the interior angle, one of the interior angles of our quadrangle. It's not parallelogram, so we'll just add up x, 2x here, we got, and 2y plus alpha will equal to, we had alpha, so it will equal to 360. So if you were just seeing, they will cancel, and we'll get x plus y will equal to 45 plus alpha. So this one and this one, so this one and this one will give us minus x. So we will just write down as positive, and we'll just skip this one. So the left side will just transfer this one to the right side. So we get x, and here minus y to us, so it will be plus y. And x plus y will equal to 45 degrees plus alpha. And then we know also that the interior angles of triangle, this triangle, and we have one triangle here in a black one, so 2x plus 2y plus alpha will equal to 180 degrees. So x plus y here will equal to 180 degrees minus alpha over 2. So we can plug into x plus y 45 plus alpha, and it will equal to this one, 180 degrees minus alpha over 2. We can just multiply two sides by 2, and we'll get 90 degrees plus 2 alpha, and it will equal to 2 and 2 will cancel here in the right side. So 180 minus alpha. So here we can just find out alpha. 3 alpha will equal to 90 degrees. So alpha will equal to 30 degrees. This is our final answer, and this was our last problem in this lesson. Thank you for your attention. And if you like this video and the solutions of these problems, just press the like button, and to support my channel, do not forget to subscribe. See you soon.